YouTubers. Okay, so I haven't been home to cook in a couple of days, but we're gonna make some. I'm not a breakfast person because I don't wake up on time, so it's probably like 1 o'clock. So we're gonna make an Asian breakfast, which is spam and eggs. I have some girls here from Ohio. They're gonna do my hair as soon as I'm finished doing this. So I'll let you try the spam and eggs. Y'all eat spam? Y'all ever had spam?
No.
You see what we used to go with spam? Y'all never had no spam? So this is spam. If y'all don't know, like people from foreign country, when they go back to visit, they will buy packs and packs and fill up their luggage with spam because the meat isn't as, you know, healthy or whatever you call it, or it's not really. Some people are so poor they can't afford meat. So like my family comes from a village and they can't afford it. It's like once, you know, in a blue moon where you can really eat because they raise the cow to sell it or whatever. So they pack a bunch of spam and they pack a bunch of chocolate in luggages and washing detergent. Anyways, what you may not appreciate over here is somebody's long wish treasure or whatever. Okay, so I want to mince up some garlic. Shit. I'm so stupid! It's right here! I done tore down the whole house looking for this. Did you see me just now when y'all walked in? I was everywhere looking for it. Bitch, it was right there. So, I'm not a pancake waffle person. So, I'll make pancake and waffle with my kids. But I like to do like bacon and sausage for me on top of rice and soy sauce because I am so Asian. Yes, I have. When we was in Florida. Okay. So I'm gonna drop the garlic in here. Okay. I'm gonna cut an onion. When I was 16, I had to move to Baltimore after I got out of my juvenile detention stuff. And I went to live with my cousin. And that's the first time me having spam. And I fell in love. We was in the back of a nail salon and he had a little stove. And during our break, he made spam. Okay. So spam is already salty, so you don't have to season it much. I just season it with garlic powder. So it comes like this, like corned beef hash, but it's solid. You want to slice it?
So you're cooking 2 days?
So one of y'all is something a media? Is that you?
Pardon me?
What's your page?
I'm Slater.
Huh? You're a celebrity. You are the other one, right?
I'm hair extension.
Oh, your hair extension. Who's the other one?
I'm Slater.
Ma, what is this one for?
The one I sent you?
Egg. No, there's another one. Media. It was like a media production person.
Oh, no.
In the group text. Are y'all in the group text?
I'm in the group with you and JD.
Is that the other person?
JD?
Yeah. Is that the other person?
Yeah, JD is the delicious man.
Okay.
What's saying?
Now I'm gonna drop spam in here.
John, why split the cat?
Along with my onions. The big spam's already cooked, y'all. We're just refrying it.
What's close in here?
What? Yes, a lot. Can't refrigerate it. Where's your nail?
Why, but you don't want no spam, bitch? Too good for spam, bitch? Okay. What part of Ohio are you from? Is that like the nice part?
No.
Well, actually, Dayton is more like, it's a small city, but it's cooler than the other city.
Yeah.
Mhm.
You know how you might have like the hood and then like a few miles you have a nice area.
Uh huh.
Like it's always segregated. Like this is the bad area, this is the nice area. So I think that I like that about Dayton compared to when I go to other cities. Everything is kind of grouped together.
Oh. Okay. Have y'all been to Atlanta before? Few times.
Hey, what's up? What is today, Saturday?
Mhm.
Do you watch Power?
Me? No. I don't have time.
Oh, God.
I don't have time. And when I watch stuff, I like to watch weird shit.
Like what?
Huh?
Like what?
Vampires.
Oh, God.
Oh, okay.
I'm into like fantasy stuff. I'm not big on reality. I feel like I live reality every day, so when I go on Netflix, I want to watch something that takes me away to a fantasy world. So we put some onion, garlic, onion powder, a little bit of this. No salt. Huh? What? Cosmo?
Yeah, I don't know either. It's okay.
What's that?
No, you know when they dress up.
The icon, y'all know what I'm talking about, like the gamers. I just heard it on the news yesterday.
Comic stuff?
They're like gamers.
Yeah, they have also have events and then they dress up like different characters.
It's very popular. I think they said there was like 48 to 9,000. I don't know. It was a lot of people. People came from Tokyo and everything.
At the gamer event. They just had, was that in Texas? They had a gaming.
They just had one here in Atlanta last week. It was Luda Week, it was Gay Pride Week, and it was the gamer thing. Okay, with the eggs, do not keep stirring the eggs. Like my husband, he ends up making like, he'll put 6 eggs in there and it'll end up like 1 egg, because if you keep stirring it, the egg will like just shrink up. So to make fluffy eggs, you just let the bottom layer cook. You season the top. Alright, this is done. See? It gets a little golden brown on the top. You don't have the onion too soggy, overcooked. Oh, can I move this way so you have to see it? See?
Where's the dog?
You want the dog? Hefe! Tell Hefe, come here.
Pepe, doesn't that mean ball?
Mm-hmm.
I remember on Tower, which you should watch.
I even tried to watch Empire, but they kept singing and shit.
Empire kind of got around first.
You come back to it. Just keep letting it.
You going in my stand?
See, she's skinny. She ain't gonna eat.
Oh, she eats. She eats more than me.
I definitely do. Don't eat it.
Yeah.
I don't have portion size.
You should have seen what she ordered.
I eat a lot.
Like, what's the best thing to eat here?
All I eat in Atlanta is chicken wings.
Yes. What was that Boston Pebbles?
Pumpkin petals.
How was that? I never been.
I've been there a couple times, but this was my first time I had a bad experience there. They made us wait like an hour to go in. We went in, there was 3 tables, like they could have been set us at. But we were sitting outside. Cause I like the ambiance.
Mm-hmm.
It's really nice. And then so we got in. It was like 15 minutes past. They still didn't come by and give us any water or menus. So we just walked out.
Oh no. Was it busy? I mean, it's so small, so that it's only limited to how many people they can have in there.
They didn't have enough people.
They had more. They were kind of worried about more of the group.
But they had 3 tables in the Right. And I just like, we've been waiting too long.
backtrack, I don't know how to pronounce
Have you been to Old Lady game?
I love going in there. That's what I was trying to tell you. We need to go. But if we go, we don't have reservations, so we have to go early.
I don't think you need a reservation. I walked in one time.
Probably because you walk.
And no. Girl, I walked in, I even ran into Candy. And like, I swear, the look on her face was priceless. Like, I hopped out the car and she was like, and I was like, hey, I didn't meet you. Like, I know who you are. Okay. Like, she was like, I don't know. Because, you know, after the show, they kept thinking I was like, I had a bad rep for like wanting to fight and shit. Which I am not a fighter. I'm so sweet.
I never heard that part. I thought everyone else
Every old person was
like,
you can't fight no better than all you.
Why are y'all watching this show?
I'm gonna do my cute presentation. So, my Asian breakfast.
You wear that shirt again?
Juice, we have from everyone. What is that? So, soy sauce
My father keeps calling me.
on top of my rice.
It looks nice.
Drop my Spam on the top.
Sour.
The eggs.
Hey, what's fresh
Ooh. And I'm cutting tomato for garnishing. Beautiful. Bitch. So, voila.
you made it look good.
Mommy, looks like
I'm gonna take this. That's true, because you want to go to Camp Creek.
Oh, look, like, what is that? No, I'm talking about the...
Just take this up to Daddy.
okay. Daddy, he said he's moving.
Do not spill it or drop it, okay? And leave a bowl. Yeah. It's hot. Don't drop it.
Do you have your own makeup here?
Yeah. Well, my makeup artist is fine.
I don't know.
Let me make mine and I'm sitting down.
So, like, you have to open a restaurant?
No. Everybody wants me to open up a restaurant, but I don't know the ins and outs of a restaurant, so I'm not comfortable opening up a restaurant.
I'm feeling like I need it.
What, you want some? Taste it first.
I want my own.
Nah, bitch. Taste it first. Since you from Cleveland, not Cleveland, where is it?
I'm just so
I
mad
don't know,
you
we never
don't
had
know where
Spam.
it is.
I've been to Cleveland. That's the only part I know.
They in this small
When
Give me
you say
a
hard, they're like, oh, so you go around. Like, no. That's like 3 hours.
They're like Bow Wow. I think Bow Wow from Columbus. Is it?
Oh yeah, I heard Columbus. I went down there for something. I know when I was younger, I went to a church convention.
Church convention.
Yeah, my father was a pastor,
I don't think that part yet.
and I remember the preacher preaching. I think I was like 8 or 9, and his whole dentures fell out as he was preaching. It just fell out, and he was like, "Oop," pop it back in. Like that's my only memory of Ohio. And we were by some lake or something. then back then, like, we didn't have navigation, so I'm still trying to figure out how my father found his way.
That map.
Right.
This rice is good.
Thank
I
you.
need a rice cooker.
Do you want some?
You want some?
Yes.
I can't believe you made spam taste good. When I would see people eat spam, I'd be like, damn. But they don't never cook it. They just eat it out the pan. So I think that's the difference.
My husband's uncle, his wife doesn't know how to cook well, so I came to her house, and that's how I learned to make spam and eggs. She slowly makes spam and eggs.
It's easy meal.
It's easy. It's easy. Sometimes people don't know how to put things together.
I don't know how to cook. I mean, I can
Or
cook.
if you put stuff together and you manage.
I don't cook because meals are so expensive.
Meal?
Meals, like one meal for $40-$50. Now those meals is not.
I didn't realize people on a meal don't cost no money.
Let me just go here.
I can cook a meal under $10, but you don't have kids, do you?
I have no.
You can make
We
meals
eat out
under
every day.
$1.
French fries, easy.
But you start to run out. It's boring.
Mimi's Kitchen.
I feed people all the time. That's what it's all.
I feel love.
Gary, and then I need my hot pepper. I'm gonna clean this off later.
You got peppers in yours?
Me?
It works on hers.
Mm-hmm. That's good. I think it must be because she's got that fresh garlic. It's a big difference if it's just fresh stuff. I forgot about garlic. Let's try this down out.
Look, so these girls came in not eating spam, and look at them now. Say hi to my YouTube. Hey! And they're getting ready to do my hair.
It's pretty hot though.
What?
I think I'm gonna call.
Hot call?
What's it called? What? It's hot.
I burned your throat, bitch. Okay. See?
Spam.
Spam, spam.
Open that right now.
Green eggs and ham. Mmm.
It kind of does look like.
Spam, green eggs, and ham.
It tastes like Canadian bacon.
Mmm. It tastes like ham.
I'm
The Canadian bacon.
I'm gonna start shipping out spam.
Mm. Alright, guys. I'll be back to show y'all my hair process. What? I'm gonna chow down.